Hey guys, ordered SKS from Palmetto State Armory. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. There is a couple decent videos online, but I figured I'd post mine. Palmetto's had SKSs for quite a while now, I think. And I think 3 or 4 years ago was whenever these Chinese SKSs really started coming in again, and they came in on Classic's website. I think they were pretty reasonably priced at first, and it's still not too bad. I paid, I think, $420, $429 with free shipping over New Year's, I believe it was. And I looked at a couple local places because there was a couple local gun shops that were selling them. The one local gun store had a bunch of them forever, and I think they just wanted to get rid of them because they put them on clearance for $350. And by the time I was like, oh boy, I want one, I called them, and of course they were sold out. So I ended up just ordering one on PSA. I was hoping to be able to go to the other place, you know, hand pick one, but that's okay. So anyways, without further ado, let's open this up and check it out. Okay, so get an idea on what it looks like here. So I got a new camera, so I'm trying to figure things out. I actually made a pretty big investment for my YouTube videos. So it's on a tripod, just trying to figure this out, get the best angle and stuff. This will be the first video I've done. Well, this is actually the second time I'm shooting this video because the other time was kind of in the direct sunlight. It didn't look that great. So anyways, let's pull this out here, take a look at it. So it is all, hold on there, sorry, my screen keeps timing out. I have to, I guess, fix that. So it is all numbers matching, which is cool. A little bit, the wear on the metal is a little bit more than I wanted. I was hoping for either some wear like it is now on the finish with some trench art, or a pretty nice or decent finish on the metal and no trench art. But I got a decent looking stock. The stock's actually in really good shape, but there's a lot of metal finish wear and no trench art, which kind of sucks, but no big deal. So it is all numbers matching. See there, 732, 732, 732, and that does say 732 if you can get it. The other thing is, on my phone I could focus on a certain spot. I don't think I can do that with this, so we'll see. I may go back and forth on which camera I'm going to use, but see all the cosmeline there. But I mean, it's a nice gun. I mean, the stock is in really good shape and it should clean up very well. That's the only thing I was really nervous about, was getting something with a crack in it. And I don't see any cracks or anything, so it should be good. Most of my rifles I have nowadays, actually, where's the import mark? That's a good question. Oh, it's back there. PW Arms imported that. Okay. I know the ones from Classic, at least the early ones, I believe they were up here, which I was hoping. I hate when they put them on the receiver like that, but you know, what are you gonna do? Sorry, screen timed out again. Yeah, I really have to fix that. All right. Again, it's the first time really using the camera. But anyways, it'll be fun. I may make a video on cleaning all this cosmeline off. Not on how to do it, but kind of like something open for discussion. But finding guns wrapped in cosmeline are getting to be a thing of the past. I mean, this might be the last one I ever clean off. Who knows? Used to be able to get Mosins just soaked in them. But anyway, so I bought this because most of my rifles now that I have are, you know, 30-06, 303. They're expensive rounds to buy, and they're actually hard to get too. So I was like, I'll buy an SKS and I can go out and shoot, make some good videos. Well, I ordered the SKS, and like 2 days later I'm like, you know what, I really want an AK. So hold on. So I ordered a new AK, or a AK, because I don't have one. Ordered a Zpap, and I'm going to do a separate video on this, but I want to show it off because I'm actually really excited about it. So, and this one does have trench art on it. Look at that. Look how badass that is. It's a brand new Zpap. But what I did was I took the original furniture off, which was nice, by the way. Nothing wrong with it. And I put this surplus stuff on. You know, if you don't know, I'm a big surplus guy. Love surplus. Anytime I can get a rifle, there is trench art on that side too. Anytime I can get a rifle and they have it surplus, even if it's like an AK built on a parts kit, or if not, you know, if I can't get a parts kit or something with surplus parts on it, but I can get like furniture, like the wood stock set on that, or like on an AR, like an M16 A1 or A2 with a surplus handguards, butt stock, I like to do that. I like to make my stuff as mil-surpy as possible. If that's even a word. So anyways, I'm gonna cut this short, pretty long for an unboxing. I'll have another video next week, hopefully on the AK, dedicated just to that. I'll get this cleaned up. I'll do some videos on this SKS as well, and we'll see. Right now it's kind of hard to make videos outside. It's like 20 degrees, there's snow on the ground. We're supposed to get even more snow Monday. Talk about possibly a foot, possibly even 3 feet. I think that's just some of the Facebook wannabe weathermen are saying 3 feet, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But it's definitely happened before. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.